Hello guys, review Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. Open box, look completion. This was on 12GB memory and 512GB internal memory. Open box. In box we have adapter with quick charge 68 watt and Type-C to Type-C cable in completion. Okay, double camera on the back side. On the front side, display 6.7 inch with curvy edge. Okay, Type-C cable on the downside and slot for SIM cards. On this side, power button and warm buttons. Open settings. We have Android 14. Android 14, okay. Display POLED 144 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Open Geekbench 6, we have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 and GPU Adreno 710. Results of this device. GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark, okay. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. Very good. Works games on this device. Okay. And open camera. We have double camera 50 plus 13 megapixels. 4K video we can record in. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.